Hello everybody, this is Ryan and I'm your instructor for Intermediate Algebra this semester. And I just wanted to give you a little introduction video to my math lab. I'm logged in right now. When you log in, you'll see something similar. It won't be exactly like mine, but it'll be very similar. So right now I'm on course home. That's important. This will show you you're welcome. It'll give you your grades and your assignments and things like that. The next thing I want to show you is your course at a glance. If you open that one up, it'll give you kind of your due dates and things like that. And I'll add more to this as the semester goes on, but I want to give you just a little bit of a guidance here on this, like Chapter 1 when it's due, Chapter 2 when it's due, your midterm, etc. This is a good resource. Another piece that's good to look at is the staff information. If you click on that, you can see me and my information. That's me. There's my phone number, and here's my email address. Email me or call me if you want to, or text me. I'll get back with you. You can learn about me. Next thing you need to look at is yours syllabus. I would definitely print this off and have it and get to know it, because it'll kind of tell you a few things, like here's my name and my contact again. If you need to get in touch with me, I really don't have set office hours. I'm just pretty much just as needed. If you need to talk to me, reach out and I'll make contact with you and we'll set something up. Get down through this, you can see your syllabus, the grade scale. You'll kind of see the due dates here. I kind of split this out a little bit. The course at a glance, it's very similar, but I split it out, showing you kind of what's due within each chapter. So you might want to take a look at that. The next piece is discussion. This is the first thing you should do when you come into this, is look at the discussion. And I basically ask you about yourself. Tell me where you're from, where you live, what you like, what you like to do, and for hobbies and things like that. But I also ask you, since this is a online course, I kind of want to know about your study schedule, what your plan is. If I was a student, this is kind of what I do, and actually this is kind of what I'll follow for this class, is I will kind of try to make sure I'm working at these times. The next thing that's important is your assignments. If you click on that one, that's where your assignments that are actually due for credit is located. And right now you'll see, I think there's one there, discussion board in section review 1 and 2. On Monday, the 14th, more of them will show up. But they'll be on here. You can click on them to complete them. The next is your study plan. Now, the study plan is important because this is where you actually learn the content. So for the first section, review R1, you can actually go through here and you can practice. You can watch a video. You can do some practice. You can do a quiz me. So it's good to work through this instead of just going and doing your homework and not trying to really learn it, but really take time to learn the content before you just jump right into the assignments. The next one's your gradebook. That's where you'll see your grades. So right here, there's just nothing there yet, but you'll see your grades. And your e-text is important because if you want to copy the textbook, the e-text is right here and you can download it. Won't actually do it, but so that's pretty much the course as a whole. Some things that I'll be doing is you'll be getting a lot of announcements from me. So make sure you're checking your email. You'll also get several emails and videos and things like that from me. And then you'll also, whenever you take a quiz and a test, I'm going to expect you to show your work. And all I really ask you to do is, as you work on your quizzes, be organized on a sheet of paper and snap a picture of it with your phone and send it to me via email. That allows me to see what you're doing, but also provides you with feedback. So there'll be a lot more about that as we move through this course, but just want you to be aware that I do expect you to show your work on quizzes and tests, and I expect you to send me that work so I can give you partial credit and also see misconceptions and things like that. Again, I'm excited to be your instructor for this course, and I look forward to it. And if you have any problems or questions, please reach out. Thanks.